Good morning. Well, my switches have finally arrived, and first working prototype of the gimbal cam is working, and then you see my GoPro frame is happily looking at me, looking at the workpiece, looking at me, looking at the workpiece, looking at me, and then you can just adjust the presets. If I can get the right, so I can adjust the camera angles so they come up with focus on me, and press the other one, preset to the workpiece, that's quite right, round to there, and basically so I can talk to the camera, show you the workpiece, talk to the camera, show you the workpiece.